In this video, I discuss about the concept of between group sum of square, its definition, explanation, mathematical form, and to solve practical example. But if you are new on my channel Statisticians Club, please subscribe the channel. Now let's start with definition of between group sum of square. Between group sum of square or sum of square between is the sum of squares between the group means and the grand means. If we have a data set and we have three groups, each group has its mean. So the difference between first group minus grand mean, and similarly second group minus grand mean, third group minus grand mean. If you have four group, then four group minus grand mean. So this is called between group sum of square. Sum of square between the group mean and grand mean. As the name suggests, it quantifies the variability between the groups of interest. Explanation: between group variation is used in ANOVA or analysis of variance table to measure variation between separate groups. Between groups variation is concerned with finding how the means of groups differ from each other. With the help of between group sum of square, we find how group means are different from each other, and this is used mostly in ANOVA table. When we compute any sum of square, mean must be subtracted from dataset or score. In between group sum of square, group means become the scores from which the mean is subtracted, and the mean which is subtracted is called the grand mean, as we discussed in previous definition. Here is the mathematical form of sum of square. Between group sum of square is equal to sum of group mean minus grand mean square. We take the difference of group mean minus grand mean square and then sum. So it can be written in mathematical form as sum of square A is any group, is equal to sum y bar j minus y bar t whole square. Here SSA represent the between group sum of square. Y bar j is the mean of given groups, which may be 3, 4, 5, so on, any number of groups, and y bar t is the grand mean, which is obtained by adding whole number of observations constitute in each group divided by the total number of observations. Here is example to be solved. This is subject 1, 2, 3, so on 8. Score are 27, 22, 20. These three scores are in group 1, 19, 26. These two elements are data set are in group 2, 8, 26, 18 and 16. These three observations are 18, 16 and 26. These three observations are the member of group 3. So first of all, we calculate group mean 1. As you know, adding all three observations and divided by the total number of observations, we got the answer 23, which is the mean of group 1. Group second, adding the member of group second 19 plus 26. So here is for 19 plus 26 by 2, we got answer 22. Group 3, elements are 18, 16, 26. Adding all three members and divided by 3. Here is the answer of 20. Now we adding all the observations to get the grand mean. 27, 22, 20, 19, 26, 18, 16, 26 and divided by 8. So we got the answer 21.75. So here is the steps involved to calculate between sum of square. You follow these 3 steps and you can easily find the between group sum of square. For each data point, compute the difference between group mean and grand mean. So first of all, you calculate group mean. Here we calculate group mean and calculate grand mean. So here we calculate grand mean. So the grand mean is divided by all n scores. As you can see, in grand mean we divided by all n scores. Our all n score is here is 8 and these are the observations. We adding all these observations and divided by the total number of observations. So we got the answer of grand mean. Number 2, square all these differences. Square all these differences. Sum of square between first mean is 23, 23 minus 21.75 plus 23 minus 21.7.5 and square all the differences. So we square all the differences plus 23 minus 21.75 square. So this mean is 23 and we have 3 observations, so we subtract 3 times. In second group, mean is 22. 22 minus grand mean is 21.75 square. 22 minus 21.75 square. So group second has 2 observations, so we repeat this procedure for 2 times. For group 3, mean is 20. 20 minus 21.75 square. 20 minus 21.75 square and 20 minus 21.75 square. Because in group 3 number of observations are 3, so we subtract mean 3 times from the grand mean and square. After simplification for each observations we add. So our sum of square between is 14.04. Thanks for watching.